we'll discuss the resolving power of a instruments. In that, I'll start first with this basic picture. So if you look at this picture here, the right hand side one, what you have is called like a poor resolution image here. So can we measure the number of petals in this? Number of petals in this? So not possible. So what about this? Here I'm able to measure the number of petals very easily. So this having good resolution, this having a poor resolution. So here it's like a, don't say high. Okay, no problem. We can say high resolution image. High resolution image, poor resolution image, that one. Now, what is the problem? Yes, the problem is that, so there's a difference between instruments. Then how do such, this instrument is manufactured? And what about the problem? So that is what we are going to learn here. Okay, got the idea? So even it happens with our human eye also. I'll give later on examples. So there's a one thing. Okay, I have few more, still more clearly. Okay, I took my kid's photo only. You can see now. Look at this particular thing. So this is some 64 megapixel with camera. This is with like around 24 or 20 megapixel camera. What is the difference? Like why 64 megapixel given nowadays? Lot of advertisement is there, no? So you do one thing. The image, no? I can. You can see like this. Are you able to see the clarity now? Still, of course, you can't count the eyelids. How many hairs are there? Still, you have to go for. Still, you have to go for still more better camera. That one. If you want to count the eyelids also. Okay, I think I have camera like this here. This is the thing. Okay, both are my kids. Huh? Okay, then look at this one. This I took from 20 megapixel camera. 20 megapixel camera. I think it's not good, no? So can you say that where are eyes? I think with great difficulty you can say that somewhere here the eyes are there. Somewhere here eyes are there. So now what is the problem is, this is for us, okay. So, okay, now for me, no problem. Okay, my kids are there that one. But professional photographer, this matters a lot. The left one is what they prefer, not the right one. Okay, clear this one. The resolution becomes very, very important. So magnification, see, I'm able to magnify both. It's not that I'm not magnifying. Okay, now what I did? I did magnify. You can see the clarity now here. So what about here? Here also I'll magnify it. Yeah, we'll look at his eyes. Nothing, no. So tell me, like, than magnifying power, what will become important? The resolution, no? Better say blurred, no? Shall I use word blurred? Locally using language, we say blurred, image is blurred. Clear this one. Technically, we say that it's a low resolution image. So will you prefer cameras which will take image of like this? No, at least, okay, this is better, this is better, this is better, this is better. Then compared to the right hand side, this is in fact far more better. The reason for that, the resolution. So are you getting now 64 megapixel? What do you mean by that is like in a 1 centimeter, those many megapixels, what happened, the dots, what happened, the light reflected by the object, what happened, will be captured by the lens, by the camera, that one. So in a 1 centimeter, how many megapixels are there? So we like this, we divide how much information particular the instrument is able to capture, the more resolution it will be. Okay, and have old pictures are some around say like 1990s, 1980s. If you see, then they'll be off like this. Huh? Of course, there was some. So the images will be off like this. Only when you keep far away, little bit, okay, it'll appear that one. So as our technology got improved, we are going for high resolution images. Nowadays, I think if you go for Canon digital camera, they're having around some 240 megapixel digital cameras, and polarizers we should use. So combination of polarizers, then the resolution enhancers, what happen? We have to take a photograph. So digital photography is a very complicated one. It's not that easy. So you want to be photographer, you must be very good in these optics. Just like, sir, I'm very much interested. Your interest, what matters? You must know the science behind the photography. Like that, you can't become photograph. You should really take photograph, compare like this. Then only you become professional photographer. Everywhere I'm telling this one, science is involved. Without that science, no use. That one. Okay, this is the biggest problem. Okay, now let's directly come to the our human eye. This also we see it. I think you can just take any the content which is there. Are you able to read something? So why you are unable to read? Because they are unable to resolve. Okay, fine. So you are unable to resolve. That's all. That's the only reason what we can put. I think I'll come out of this camera. Yeah. Now you can see that. I think inverted. Are you able to read? There's a problem is there, no? Maybe something's exercise B you are able to read. Is it inverted? I think this is correct. Yeah. Exercise B. Are you able to see this? Now inverted. Oh. Now are you able to real? Is it erect or inverted?
Inverted, sir.
Inverted. Oh, I'm ulta. Okay, fine. Now are you able to say like a exercise B? Exercise B. Can you read? You can't read. What is the problem? So I think, shall I suggest you that you go to optician, check your eyes. Check your eyes. You may start thinking, so some high problem is there. Or you may say that, no, sir, like your laptop problem is there. No, there is no problem with the camera in the laptop or your eye problem. The problem is like this is the object, that one. I'm keeping nearby it as you are able to, you are able to resolve. You are able to resolve. So as I move away, you are unable to resolve. So that how to explain this phenomena? How to explain this particular phenomena? Huh? So let me go for. So let me directly come into the concept. Now, are you able to see the two dots? I think everyone is able to see the dots, no? So we'll take the dot, we'll give name O1, O2. Please don't try to talk. Huh? Okay, no, this is O1 and O2. No, I think two dots you are able to visualize. Yes, everyone says yes, sir. We are able to visualize the two dots. Now, as I move away, I think okay, still you are able to see. Now you are unable to see the dots. Or the dot may appear as one single dot here. So since the distance, the size of dots here, now I'll make it. Which pair of dots, what happen, is able to, I think now you can see some, the first, I wrote number one, no? One, the first pair you are able to visualize, you are able to resolve. Shall I use word resolve? You are able to say that as there are two dots are there. What about the second one? Okay, sir. The third pair, what when you are saying that there is no only one dot. Okay, now I'll bring it. Then definitely you can select, so all three pairs, there are two dots are there. So let's go for the third pair of the third pair. At certain distance, though there are two dots are there, no, but it will appear as only one dot. What is the problem? The eye is unable to resolve. But sir, at the same time, I'm able to resolve this one. And the eye is able to resolve. So what is the reason? I'm able to resolve the first pair. I'm unable to resolve the third pair. I think if you can accept this question, I'm able to resolve the first pair. I'm unable to resolve the third pair. The third pair, though there are two dots there, they'll appear as the one. Tell me, like, the moment it comes, I am doing anything, nothing, no? The distance between dots, did I'm changing? No, the distance between your eye and the object or this particular dots, it is varying. So at one particular distance, you are unable to resolve it. Okay, this is what we have to give explanation. Why I am unable to resolve it?